In today's video we'll be making this macrame or macrame bag strap. It's a removable 4-plait design with a tassel on one side. Take a D-ring swivel clip, now add 2 of the 4 3-meter cords straight onto the D-ring. Make sure they are centered and even. Now we add the other 2 cords, one on each side with a lark's head knot. Before we tighten the lark's head knot, add the adjacent cord to secure it in place. Now tighten and repeat on the other side. I like to do this so that it's not too cluttered on the D-ring. Now separate the 4 sections and start with the middle 2. Right over left and hold it in place with your thumb and forefinger. The outer left crosses over the inner left and the outer right crosses under the inner right. Then we start again with the center cords right over left. Repeat this pattern, keeping the cords flat and even as you go. Remember, the center cords cross over right over left, the outer left crosses over the inner left, and the outer right crosses under the inner right. Now continue until you have about 12 centimeters left. As with any plait, you will need to detangle every now and then. Once you have about 12 centimeters left, it's time to add the other swivel clip. We do this with lark's head knots, but only 4 of the 8 cords, so it's not too bulky. Now pin the clip in place while you work. Starting on the left, bring the cord to the front, through the D-ring, front to back, then loop around the front and back through the D-ring from the back to the front this time. Now through the loop and tighten. Repeat this for the other 3 cords. Every second cord or 1 from each section. Now take a 60 centimeter piece of cord and finish with a gathering knot. Make a loop, hold close to the cords, wrap around several times, six to 8 times should be enough. Then stick the end of the cord through that loop. And while you hold the end nice and taut, pull the other cord, the top cord, pull the loop through. Trim. And trim the tassel to length. Don't be too fussy here because once you brush it out you'll have to trim it again anyway. Separate the threads if you're using a twisted cord like I am. Comb it out, and then you can give it a final trim. And it's all done. Thanks so much for watching.